question 28, in choosing the most logical transition, we have quite a lengthy sentence here. Let's try to understand how the first sentence with etched into Peru's Nazca Desert are line drawings so large that they can only be fully seen through high above. And the second idea has archaeologists have known for the line since 1920s when a researcher spotted some from a nearby foothill, and they have been studying the markings ever since. The idea after archaeologists' efforts are aided by drones that capture high resolution aerial photographs of the lines. So what I would do is I would now survey the four choices. You can see that from idea 1, 2 to 3, the idea flows in one direction. Choices B, C, and D are transitions that would stop or reverse the flow of the idea. When you do choice B or C, these are putting two ideas in comparison by not flowing the idea but stopping here and putting the others in contrast or comparison. Choice D would just go and reverse the idea back to A, where this will be contradicting A. The only choice that actually flows the idea better. I know this is a very atypical way of seeing it, but when you do currently, which is a transition of chronology, okay, this we can see that from idea 2 to 3, we're doing something in 1920s. Currently, we're using drones. So this is how our transition would fit into this sentence. So our answer choice for 28 would be currently.